Hello friends, today's topic for discussion is set theory. So when we talk about set, without in terms of layman languages, what is set? Collection, right? We say set of books, right? So in mathematics, set is defined as well defined. What I have used the word well defined collection of. Now the second important thing, distinct object. What I said, well defined first part of definition and distinct object is second part of the definition. These two things are very important in a set. For example, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it a set? Yes, it is a set. So what is the definition of this set? We can say a number, natural numbers between 0 and 6, or we can say less than 6 and greater than 0. A natural number greater than 0, less than 6, right? A, E, I, O, U. Is it a set? Yes, it is a set because it is a set of our vowels. Okay. So what this A, E, I, O, U known as? This all is known as set, and we can represent with the capital letters. Okay. Like I have represented A equal to, this is the set. So now what this small things are known as, this 1, 2, 3 or A, E, I, O, these are known as elements of sets. Elements of set, object of set, or we can say objects of set, or we can say members of set. Okay. So till now we come to know that we represent a set with the capital letters, and in the set the members or elements or object of sets are present. Okay. Now this was the definition of set. Now I will be discussing these 2 points, very important 2 points. If this is a set, so will this be set? Yes, it can be, but it is not a proper way to write it. Okay, we cannot say that this is not a set, but it is not against, we can say, rule to write the repeated elements in a set. Okay, so this was distinct object. Now well defined, very important to understand whether a group of elements, a group of objects are set or not. First of all, I have written set of collection. We can write collection of odd numbers less than 10. Is it a set? Is it a set? Is it a well defined collection? Yes, because I will be writing 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If some other person come and read this definition, will it select the same values? Yes. Anyone who read out this sentence will select this only value. So this is the reason why it is well defined. Now when I have written collection of vowels, is it a set? Collection of vowels, yes, it is a set because it is a well defined. Any person whenever read this statement will write the set in the form of this 3, 5 elements only. But when I have written collection of beautiful person of India, will it be a proper set? Will it a well defined collection? No, because it depends on the person for whom we are asking whether tell me the set of the beautiful person. For one person that will be a different set, for other person that will be a different set. Okay. Similarly, if I have written collection of tastier dishes, so can it be the same set for everyone? Here also this will not be a set because for each and every person's choice is different. So for each and every person the set will be different. Okay. So this both are not a well defined collection. So they are not the set. Okay. Now some symbols related to set. symbols. First is this one. So this is your, what is the symbol? For all. For all or for every. Okay. Now this symbol, kind of, when we look at it, this symbol, we feel like we are looking E, but it is a epsilon and it represent belongs to. Okay. Now this symbol, so this is the there exist. Okay. Now colon or a line, this means such that. Okay. And comma refers to the and. Capital letters in a set, capital letters for set name, and small letters for set element. Okay. Now representation of set. First way was roster style, or we can say tabular form This is, till now we are writing 1 2 3 4 5, A equal to 1 2 3 4 5, curly braces and the elements inside it separated by a comma. Okay. So this comma representing and elements. Okay. So this is a good way, but just consider a scenario where thousands of elements are present. So we cannot use this way. We will using the second way, that is set builder form. That is, we write A equal to X colon set A contain all natural number less than 10. And third is your visual. This is also known as property form. And third is your visual form, that is make a circle, write the element and put a name over here. Thank you.